In southwest.
Stay a little bit northwest side. Stay a little bit northwest side, okay? You can spread, follow crown and shield also, okay?
ผมยืนหลังนะผมไม่ได้ยืนหน้านะผมเล่นเป็นซับ
For big
Come
fights,
south.
guys, you can zoom in
Hold,
minimap.
hold. Move.
see your
Move. Don't be afraid, okay? Ready. Just face check enemies. All the melee DPS, come, go back northeast. D-tanks look southwest side.
It's fine. They're not coming.
Come northeast. Just stun them, okay? Don't worry about setup or def both. Just play versatile cooldown. जो भी cooldown पे है कर सकता है just वो कर.
They're moving.
Hold.
मैं पूरा लूट पे फोकस करूँ क्या?
हाँ, just focus looting. And if you see bomb king, just call it out, okay? If you are not aware. Just hold. Walk. Don't be like retards. Don't stack hard. They like trust your own defenses, okay?
Okay, choke, okay.
Yeah. They're holding choke. They're gonna pull, okay? Look southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side.
Watch.
Go back. Come northeast. Come northeast and hold. Come northeast and hold, okay? Don't be southwest side.
Stay भाई.
Hold, just hold. Nice. Hold. 6 seconds we have, okay? Just hold. Look southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Go deep. And go back. Kick up. All defenses and hold. Come back. Defense up front and hold. Hold north. Go north. Go back north and hold. Go back north and hold. Hold. Just hold. Ready to go again deep probably, okay? If you don't see anyone on the bridge, northeast side, we're gonna go deep every time, okay? Look southwest side, okay? Wait. Look southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just go back.
Go back.
Come northeast. Hold.
वो वाले लूटेगा पागल बे.
Come northeast. Hold. Come northeast and hold. Tell me cooldowns, okay? Kingmaker cooldown.
Ready.
Okay.
They're watching.
Engage.
Then look southwest. In 5, 4. Okay, stand. Hold. Cancel, guys. Hold. If you wasted your boots, don't go deep. Okay, look southwest side. Look southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow whatever you can hit and go back. Go back. It's fine. Just go back. If you don't have gig, don't push next, okay? If you don't have gig, don't go inside next. Go northeast again. Halal, they can pull you from north. They are playing pull only.
They're coming.
Okay, hold.
Engage.
Look southwest. Come southwest. Ready for depths in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. Deep. Full push. Gig up and full push. Gig. Everyone gig and go out. Healers also push. Gig and go out. Gig and go out. Come outside. Come on the other side. Boys. Come on the other side and look for crown. Come on the other side. Look for crown. 5 seconds you're gonna engage. Look west side. Look east. Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look east. And come southeast. Just go out. We are not gonna stay inside. Just come south. Come south. We cannot stay inside. Come south. Come southeast. Heals. I need heals southeast side. On ping, just come other side of the bridge. Look for the crown and shield, boys. We're gonna engage again. Look on crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On crown. My God. Just come south. Where is my DPS, bro? Where are you guys still? You guys are still on bridge. Come south, everyone. Look for crown on ping. Open your mini map and come south. Come southeast. We're gonna look again. Okay, come west. Look west on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
अरे भाई नहीं है सही.
On ping, come east now. Okay. Just loot up, whatever you can loot.
वहाँ पे 8.4 था, उठा लो जल्दी.
और CCTV का एक बंदा better mount.
इसको भी पता नहीं. 8.4 को उठाने की कोशिश.
Come hold here on ping.
it, right?
Guys, zoom in your in big
Kingo,
fights.
जब तूने डीप पुश करने बोला ना, तब कोई भी डिफेंस में लाइक बचा नहीं था, तो लाइक
अरे
अब
गीगा
मर गए
भाई
थे।
गीगा पेन वो
अरे गीगा कितने गीगा भाई, ऑलरेडी एक इंजन सोक किया उसके बाद
लूटी नहीं पाया पेज
अपन ने हाफ पुश किया था।
अरे king
थर्ड वाले में
Don't be dying early. Come west, walk west. You can walk with crown, shield, anyone, okay? Come northwest, go northwest still. Go northwest,
तेरे
go northwest, go northwest. Go
They're
northwest. Yeah, keep going northwest, keep going northwest. Go northwest more, okay? Go northwest more of crown and shield, okay?
कस्टर्ड करके आ जा
Go northwest more. Go west and look east side, okay? Look east side, okay? Look east side. Hold. Tap up and look east. Look east on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look east on me. And go back. Go west. Don't hard step, okay? Don't hard step. Come west only. Don't go southeast. Come west only and spread. Spread. Come east. Hold. Come east. Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On crown.
Bomb squatted from west.
Bro, come west. You guys all died. GG. Bro, come walk with shield now. Walk with shield. Come south. Look for crown. Spread. Go southwest. Don't stay east now. Go west. Come southeast now. Come southeast here. On ping. Look on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me, whatever you have. And go west. Gig up. They're engaging. Come east. Come southeast now. Look for crown and shield. Def. Heal up front. Okay. Def north side. They're gonna look from north, okay? They're gonna look from north. Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look east.
Yeah, loot.
Just hold.
King of North,
Hold.
okay?
They're looking east. Care.
North.
Care, come east. Walk in. Look for shield and crown, okay? Gig up. Be ready, okay? Look east. We're gonna walk in. 10 seconds. We're gonna look east, okay? 10 seconds. Gig up. Look east. Walking east in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Look east. On me. Good job. Care north. Spread and come east. Come north. Spread north. Spread north. Heal inside. Come west. Come and spread. Stay with crown. I'm on ping, okay? Stay with crown. Def, okay? They're looking. Look on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Nice.
Come, spread. Keep me in the screen and spread. Let's keep healing. Spread and heal. Spread. Def on crown. Def on crown.
Staying
Okay, good job. Now look on northeast. Okay. Come east. Look on east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Nice. And spread. We different pop. Spread west. Spread southeast. Spread west and southeast. Spread Def inside. Go good. Okay, spread. Heal inside. Heal on crown. Pull down ready, boys. Hello? Okay. Look on me east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Okay, good job. And spread again. Spread again. Spread again. Def west. Heal Akal. Okay, look for crown again. Okay. Def. Heals up on crown. And look on me east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Def inside us. Kill inside. Roll inside. Roll inside. I drop GG. Roll inside. And walk with me east, boys. Walk with me east. Walk with me east. 10 seconds. You're gonna engage again. Okay.
Kill him. Kill their color.
Where is the collar? Kill the collar if you see.
Richard, ये टच करके भाई मार दो.
Okay, look east on me. Look east on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look east on me. Okay, dab. Just go west and dab. Go west and dab. Go look. Just spread and roll. No. Free. Whatever. Healers just keep healing. Play inside the lines. Just keep healing, bro. Just play.
We are in gear can come here.
And don't come after 3 times. Okay, it's fine.
Don't.
Yeah, it's like last.
Just spread. I'm not giving calls for now. Just heals. We have tanks and heals. Just Qs and Ws and heals since there. It's okay. That's it. Heal around crown. Okay.
अरे भाई पूरा गया.
Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whatever you have. For D tanks only.
सब मर गए.
Okay. Just spread. Heals south. Heals east as well. Heals east. Heals west.
Do one count.
Heals west. Stealth crown. Heals on crown. Drop heals on crown. They all drop heals on crown. Spread. Okay. We are looking east this time. We're looking east. Okay, they said GG. Just hold. Come west. Those who are late, come west.
करो भाई.
Just loot. Whatever you can, just loot if you have.
พี่ทุกคนหัวคิริกไม่ติดด้วยสัตว์เอ้ยพี่
ที่ผมคูลดาวน์เว้ยเฮ้ยแต่ผมก็ต้องไปลงอะเพราะว่าจะให้ลง
ผมโดนจังหวะโคตรเหี้ยผมโดนแคปแรกเซฟได้แคปสองไม่มีของเซฟไอ้เหี้ย
ผมก็มีของเซฟเหมือนกันแต่ผมก็ไปลงไงกีก้าก็ใช้หมดไปละ2 รอบ
ผมโดนแคปแรกเสร็จแคปสองต่อเลยอ่ะยังไม่ได้ทันได้รับฮิวเลย
The collar is Jinnah, I think, no? CCTV's collar.
भाई लिटरली 10-15% HP से बच के निकल